boys and girls, we're going to do a little science this week. We are going to learn more about seeds. We're going to talk about our Peter Rabbit experiment, and we're going to learn the life cycle of a seed and how flowers and plants grow. So let's start with our experiment. When we were on spring break, Mrs. Corner forgot some stones, if you remember, some sand from the Bay Beach, and some dirt potting soil, and I planted marigold seeds in it. And you can look, there's nothing in the rocks. Nothing came in the stones. The sand has 5 sprouts now. 5 sprouts! It's sprouting like crazy, that sand, which is surprising to me. I would have guessed the dirt would have had the most. And the dirt has this one lonely sprout. But at least something sprouted, right? All right. So I keep watering it and I keep it over in the sun, and we'll have to see as they grow. Now, we're going to read a little story called I'm a Seed, and then you're going to do a little activity and do activities this week to help us practice how a seed grows. Okay? So I'm a Seed by Jean Marzullo, illustrated by Judith Moffett. All right. I'm a seed. I'm a seed too. So this seed and this seed, they're not the same. They look very different. I'm going to be a marigold when I grow up. That's what our flowers are going to be, or our seeds. Me too. But remember, they don't look the same. And kind of take a look at this seed. Does this seed look like a seed you've seen before? Look a little familiar to you? We'll have to see what it grows into. But it definitely doesn't look the same as that one. No, you're not. Why not? Because you're a different kind of seed. What kind of seed am I?
Right.
So if you look, you put the seeds in the dirt. The first thing that grows in a seed are the roots. The roots come out and go to the bottom. Okay? After the roots grow, a little sprout comes out, and that's what these are. And you can see that their roots look different and their sprouts look different. This guy's sprouts, the leaves are wider, and his roots go further. How should I know? Wait and see. Well, wait how long? Not too long. See? We're growing. My stem goes up, 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 which looks just like our marigold seeds. My stem goes sideways. So he's almost making like a vine. This way. My leaves are small and perky. My leaves are big and hairy. So the leaves are totally different. My flowers reach up to the sky. My flowers are hiding under my leaves. And remember, this is going along the ground like a vine. The marigold is going straight up in the air. My petals are yellow and orange and frilly. My petals died, and now I have little green balls growing. What is that going to be? And that is where the flower used to be. I have 20 flowers. Well, my green balls turned orange. What in the world am I? Boys and girls, what was that seed? What is it? A pumpkin plant. You grew 6 pumpkins. They're beautiful. Thank you. I am very proud. Know what's inside of both of us? What? Do you know what's inside, boys and girls? More seeds. When my seeds are planted, they will become new marigolds. And when my seeds are planted, they will become new pumpkins. There should be a name for that. There is. It's called life. The end. So the life cycle of a seed, first it's a seed and you plant it in the ground. Okay? So here we have, I'm going to draw dirt. And we plant the seed in the ground. Then the next thing that happens is roots grow. Roots come out of the seed. And roots are very important for two reasons. Number one, they get the water and nutrients from the soil to the seed so it could grow, but they also hold the seed in place so that it can't move anywhere, especially when it starts to grow above the ground. The seed holds it so it doesn't blow away. Then it has a sprout. And the sprout is just a little tiny stem with 2 leaves. Okay? Then this continues to grow and continues to grow and continues to grow until it becomes a regular plant. And a lot of times a flower bud will come. Now when it's a bud, it's when the flower's all closed up and you can't see anything. There's the leaves. Then the flower blooms, and that means that it opens up. And usually inside the flower, or almost, always, are little tiny seeds. Sometimes the seeds are circles, sometimes the seeds are long, sometimes they're skinny, sometimes they're fat. And the seeds are what you would plant to make new flowers. All right. So we're going to keep learning about seeds. We're going to keep watching our Peter Rabbit experiment and see if any other sprouts pop up. And until then, have a great day.